So this is the veggie dish I was saying I was going to make. It's portobello mushrooms. We'll first start with this. These were large zucchini. I cut in half and then I gutted them, put a little olive oil, some light seasoning, and then I baked them on 375 while I prepared this so they could be a little tender. So basically everything will be cooked when you put it back in the oven. This is the baby portobello mushrooms, eggplant, the zucchini, fresh tomato, and then I guess that's it. Fresh seasonings, garlic, onion, etc. Then you will take this and scoop it back into this and then just bake it for maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes. I'll send a picture of the finished product. If I had a can of tomato sauce, I would put that in there just to kind of bind it a little more, but we'll see how it comes out without it.